Hello, this is Ina with innichkachef. Welcome to my kitchen. What are we doing today? We are making bread. The bread, one of my favorite. How many times you've been disappointed with the pita bread from a store? Me always. So I make sometimes, but not too often. Today I want to show you my perfect recipe. I tested so many how to make beautiful soft and a Cyprus-Style, which is mean little bit like oval versus Greek around, soft and delicious pita bread. I just want to remind you, subscribe, give me a like, and share with your friends. And main ingredients for this pita bread is a bread flour versus all-purpose flour has more gluten. It will create more chewiness. We like that in pita bread. Another ingredients is yeast, commercial active yeast. I know I'm big sourdough lover, but for this recipe, yeast works better. We're still going to ferment slow and low. Will be 12 hours fermentation and develop good flavor and nice structure. So the pita bread won't break easily and will be nice and beautiful for your best sandwich. Also, most important to have ice water because we want yeast slow. We want put in sleep. We don't want activate and make fast working. We don't want the big bubbles. Little bit sweetness, honey I'm using, and olive oil, of course olive oil, and salt. Let's begin. This recipe is very easy, but you have to follow to the tooth with measuring, so measure carefully. We need 2 cups and 1/4 of bread flour and 2 teaspoons and 1/4 of yeast, active yeast. I keep my yeast in fridge. Make sure you keep it in fridge to keep nice and fresh. And now I'll give it a whisk or mix. Yeah, seems like it's mixed all together. Now we need to add the water. And water, as I mentioned, has to be ice water. 1 cup and 1/4. Four teaspoons of honey, nice and runny honey, and olive oil, 1/4 cup. On medium speed, we are going to mix for 2 minutes. Once in a while, I like to stop and scrape everything. After the dough mix and start release from a wall of the bowl, it's been ready and it's good enough. Now we want to let everything incorporate. The yeast start kick up and start working. It's called auto yeast. It's sometimes I do with sourdough breads the same way without adding salt right away. So let's cover and let not dry out dough and leave alone for 10-20 minutes. Now it's time to add salt. All we need 1 teaspoon, also 1/4 of teaspoon. Now it's time for the last mix. So now the dough is ready, and this dough I have to ask. I have to tell you, I will ask for more and more flour, but don't follow that. Don't need more flour. We measure everything so carefully, so you don't want messed up with proportion. All you need, oil your hands very well, also the surface. add some oil and scrape your dough. Nice, beautiful. And kind of with this scraper, create nice ball. Nice and smooth. You do not want to add more flour. Now I like to divide into 8 pieces. It's a medium size pita, but if you like bigger, make 4, or if you like smaller, make 10. Prepare your bacon sheets. We're going to proof, and I like to use, you can use anything for that, but I like to use bacon sheets. So now each dough create nice little ball. Fold in. Nice and smooth. Cover with some plastic. I like to make 9 before and then cook them in the morning, bake them in the morning. We're going to bake them. Or if I make in the morning, mix up quickly and then it's ready for dinner. So you place in the fridge for about 12 hours. And this is, look how nice and beautiful they are proofed. Beautiful, nice and glossy pita dough. And I forgot to mention, you have to preheat oven 450 degrees or 500 for at least 1 hour before you start baking. Nice and hot. And I use a pizza stone. If you don't have pizza stone, use a big cast iron or something you need just to place on something very, very hot. And now we're going to be very generous on flour. Take 1 pita. And roll. And we make it, as I mentioned earlier, Cyprus-Style. So we make it nice, like oval shape. As you see how beautiful, smells so good and soft. Some of them got a little bit crispy, some are nice and soft, but you see how beautiful pocket each pita has and very good flavor. And as you see, it's super easy. It takes 2-3 minutes to bake. Greek, Turkish people, they usually grill, and Cyprus, they are bake in a high temperature, 400, 500 degrees, depends on your oven. And it's super quick and easy, and here you have beautiful, simplest but most delicious bread. I hope I encourage you to cook everything from scratch, delicious and nutritious food, and give me a like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Cook for your family and your loved. Bye, see you next time.